Hey, Steve Champagne here. In today's Ninja Hack, I thought I'd go into why I chose to go with Thrive Themes and their plugins for the Ninja Hacks Club's website. So, stay tuned. Well, I'm really excited to talk to you today about Thrive Themes. Now, really, while this is not a hack or a shortcut, I thought I'd share with you why I chose to go with Thrive Themes and use of their plugins when I decided to launch the Ninja Hacks Club. First of all, I needed something I could quickly, easily edit and get up fast. When I first launched the Ninja Hacks Club, I basically used a default theme of WordPress. I used the 2015 theme because I wasn't quite sure what theme I wanted to go with. When I was doing my research, I heard a lot about Digi and Thrive Themes, and of course, the big one, Genesis, which I've used Genesis in the past, and I wasn't overly happy with it. I wanted something that could be pretty simple, and it would help me, get my content up quickly and easily, and also something I could easily train a VA to work with. Okay. What I want to do today is pretty much take a real top level view of just a couple of their plugins that I use. I'm just using a fraction of what you can do with this, and then you could take a look at Thrive Themes to see if it makes sense for you. The first thing I really like about Thrive Themes is one, Shane has great support, great documentation, a great support center. The theme is coded to be very lightning fast. It is mobile friendly. And the site looks really nice both on desktop and on mobile devices, and we all know how important that is today. I'm using the Focus blog theme. He has 9 themes that you can choose from or you can purchase, and you also can connect all your API connections for email, reCAPTCHA. You can even upload some custom fonts, and you can even upload your own Retina icons. So what I want to cover with you today is just a real top level of their content and page builder, and quickly talk to you about their Thrive lead system, which is really, really, really cool. The more I dive into it, I can see you can do all kinds of things with it. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a quick look at the content builder and why I really liked it. So I have a page here that's in draft mode. I just created it. And you're going to see a button up here if you decide to use and Thrive theme, or you can even use, by the way, the content builder by itself, and we'll go into all your different options of purchasing this stuff towards the end of the video. So when I want to create a page or edit a page, I can come here and click on this real quickly. You'll see that will load up my page, and once this is loaded, you'll see now you'll have this panel over here on the left hand side, and quite frankly I couldn't go through every single feature that's here, but one of the things I really like a lot is that I'm able to actually create content templates. So once I've created a page here, right, I can create a template. For example, let me show you the template I have for my hack post right here. All I have to do is click on this, and what it's doing now, it's basically created a pre-built of what I want in there. Come in and put in my text and my videos, the links I'll have associated with my blog post, and then of course a button that goes out to, if you have a question to ask me, okay? So you can create that. I plan on creating all kinds of templates that I'm going to be using, especially when I start doing some product reviews and things like that, or when I start doing some podcasting. I'll have different templates that I can easily and quickly use. And again, this is something I can train a VA who really doesn't have much in the way of design skills to come in and do this. So that was like one of the things I really liked about this. Now let me show you something else that's really powerful. Okay, let's just delete all of this. Now they have, you may be familiar with ClickFunnels or Lead Pages. Well, and they're pretty expensive. Lead Pages, I believe you pay annually. You can get something for like $25 a month, but you have to pay that annually. Far as ClickFunnels goes, ClickFunnels, it starts off at $97 a month, and if you get all their bells and whistles, now you're over $200 a month. And for most people, that doesn't really get into your budgets. But like I said, towards the end of this, I will cover what some of your pricing options are. But let's say you do want to create a landing page, or you want to create some type of registration page for a webinar or something. It's real easy to do. All you have to do is come over here and choose a landing page. You click on this, and you're going to get a whole entire library, and they're always adding new stuff. I mean, check this out. All right, and he has filters up here. So if I was looking for a podcast page, I could simply click on that. And let's say I want to use this page right here, okay? All I have to do is simply click on it, come down here and hit load page. Well, you'll see in a second, it's literally going to replace my page and give me an incredible page that's already pre-designed and built and ready to go. All you have to do is come in, edit your content, and there it is. So I'm going to hit the save changes here, right? And then we'll preview it so you can see that you know, how easy it is to create some pages, and then all you have to do is kind of go in and tweak the information that you want to tweak here, okay? So back in the editor, if you want to change your header, you just come in here and you just start typing. You know, you want to change your video, you just click here, and you'll get your box here. Just put in your YouTube video. You can, you know, give it all different types of views. They have, you can put a thumbnail, which I personally do. You can change the styles here. Get all these different styles of the player. So this is the one I personally use a lot that puts a nice little gray drop on it. So as you can see, it's real fun. It does buttons. It does everything. It's straight up incredible. All right. So if you're looking for an alternative to lead pages or ClickFunnels just because of the pricing, I'm going to highly suggest that you take a look at Thrive Themes and then also their content and page builder. The next thing I want to talk to you about is Thrive Leads. Thrive Leads basically is a way to create really engaging email opt-ins. You can test different email opt-ins. You can create what's called lead groups. Let me create a new lead group for you. I'm just going to go test. And in that lead group, what you can do, first of all, you have to, you know, do a few things here. I'm just going to click on that. You tell what area of your website do you want it to be focused on. You just want it focused on the home page. You want it all on your blog posts, your pages, page templates, your archive pages, all different ways where this particular group of opt-ins would be, okay? So I'm just going to choose all posts real quickly. And then, so on all my posts, these would show up, okay? And then once you've done that, you can come in here and you have all these choices that you can split test, okay? You can split test a ribbon, a lightbox, a widget, post footer, a slide in content. The one I'm using on my post, if you noticed when you load a post, the first thing that comes down is this, you know, almost like a curtain, right? It's called a scroll mat, and it basically, you know, prompts people to opt in before they take a look at it. Now, if they scroll, they'll automatically be taken to the content, or they can hit no thanks, and the scroll mat will literally, you know, scroll back up, almost like a curtain. And you also can tell it how often to show. Personally, I have it set to show, you know, once every 24 hours to my visitors. And additionally, inside, you can create a link for your email opt-in list that they're never presented. If someone's already on your list, they're never presented with that, you know, for me, the scroll mat again. So once on the list, you don't have to always be bombarding them with the offer. And additionally, you can have what's called an alternative state. And what an alternative state is that once they're opt-in and the system knows that they're opt-in, it could present them with another offer. Maybe that scrollet has a special offer, which I'm currently not doing, but I could present them with something totally different other than an opt-in, okay? Real powerful. You get statistics on it. I'm just starting to really get into this and using it. I really like this, and extremely powerful. Let me just get back over this, and I'll just talk briefly about Clever Widgets. Clever Widgets allows you to have highly relevant content associated based on categories, tags, pages. Think about this for a second, okay? So if someone's in your YouTube section, or maybe you have a section on Facebook and social media, the widgets on the right-hand side could be the content or the special offer or the opt-ins that you have going on could be associated with social media. Personally, I'm currently not using this, but as my blog gets bigger, I definitely will be using this, okay? The Thrive Headline Optimizer, currently not using this. What this does is that you can actually split test your headlines to see greater reading of your content. Since I'm not really doing a traditional blog, but more of a vlog, Again, I'm not personally using this at this time, but that all may change. This right here is basically the Ultimate Scarcity plugin. I've looked at many plugins. Based on what I've seen and read about this is probably going to be the best one out there. They have a true evergreen plugin that you can be running, but it is scarcity down to the user level, meaning that they actually keep track not only by cookies, but also by their IP address, okay? So you can have a true evergreen scarcity program for the individual user addresses. So this is a great plugin if you plan on having scarcity on your sales pages or in your opt-ins, okay? So this is it. Let's talk a little bit about pricing, and we'll wrap up this. We're getting kind of long here. We're almost at 12 minutes. So you can buy all of these individually, okay, one time, and I believe you get a year's upgrades with this. Shane really keeps these up to date. Every time there's a new feature or WordPress is updated, they will update the plugins and keep you up to date. So you can buy all of these individually, or you can get into their membership, okay? And that's what I personally did, okay? So you can get into the Thrive membership if you want to for this for as little as $19 a month. Again, you're going to pay this annually, or you can pay quarterly at $75. Now, if you're an agency and you plan on using this on your client sites, they have an agency program, and that's $49 a month paid annually. I'm not quite sure what it is. If you let's pay this quarterly, it's $59 a quarter, okay? So you save yourself 24% if you decide to pay this on a quarterly basis, okay? So this wraps up this week's hack. Well, it's really not a hack, but more of just a general overview of why I really like Thrive Themes. And if you like this, you'll find a link just below the video. Go ahead, click on it, check out Thrive Themes for yourself. And if you like this hack or this video or this overview, please take an opportunity and give it a star rating. I appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye. Hopefully you enjoyed that ninja hack and you got some value out of it. Now before you go, take the opportunity and join our club. And you can do so by clicking on one of the 3 buttons just below. See them? You can either get on our Facebook notification, our browser notification, and that really works well if you're on Chrome or Firefox or Safari as your primary browser, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe channel button. And also before you go, take the opportunity to check out the videos to the right. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.